I went from barely any sales to waking up to daily Etsy notifications, all because of one simple change. And no, it's not what you think. I didn't change my products or spend more on ads. I fixed something way smaller that changed everything. If you're struggling to get sales on Etsy, pay attention to this. Hi, I'm Harry. Welcome back to the Print Shop Pro, where we make print on demand selling fun, simple, and profitable. I teach you how to grow your Etsy shop, design smarter, and use tools like EverBee and Printify to level up your results. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button because I have real data-driven tutorials coming every week. So here's where I was. I had decent designs, active listings, but no consistent sales. The truth? My listings weren't clear enough for Etsy's search algorithm. Remember, Etsy is basically a search engine. If your titles and tags confuse it, it won't push your listings, no matter how cute your designs are. So what's the fix? I stopped trying to sound clever and started sounding searchable. I optimized my titles and tags with the exact phrases buyers type in. Nothing fancy, just clean, readable, and keyword rich. For example, instead of Mom Life Mug, I changed it to Funny Mom Mug, Mother's Day gift ideas, coffee cup for moms. That one tweak made my listings pop up every time people look for gifts for moms. Now, I don't just guess keywords. I use EverBee to see what's actually selling on Etsy right now. It shows you top products, sales estimates, trending phrases, literally everything you need. If you want to try EverBee, links in my description below. Please hit it. It's an affiliate, so it helps support the channel at no extra cost. Within 1 week of updating my listing titles, sales jumped. Within a month, I tripled my traffic. And remember, no ads, no new products, just clarity. And that's the difference. Etsy doesn't promote pretty products, it matches search intent. Once Etsy understands your listings, it shows them more. I always say, more visibility equals more sales. So if you want to explode your Etsy sales too, start by fixing your titles. Then make data your best friend with EverBee and streamline your production using Printify. Links are below. So if this helped you at all, please hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and comment ready to grow, so I know you're a part of the Print Shop Pro family.